Welcome back, everyone. Today I want to talk about tags. Now that you're familiar with adding a new customer, I want to use the tool of tags. Tags is something that you can use to specify or to filter a specific customer. So if you have a lot of customers that are Airbnb or has a heat or salt pool or a large dog, anything related to that customer, you can specify it within the software. So adding a tag is extremely easy with Pool Route. By going to the customer tab, selecting all the customers or lead or active customers, there's a button that has a little tag on the side. You're going to click on that button, and these are the tags that I have currently for my pool service. If you need to add another one, just put it in, Hayward Pool Pump. So all the customers that currently have a Hayward Pool Pump can be filtered this way. So I'm going to save it, close that out. And next time I need to select that customer, I can just put in the tag. You see how there's a check mark right next to it? So this customer will have all these tags: old pad, Hayward pool pump, automatic cleaner, heated pool, and etc. So filtrating, there's a top corner that says heated pool, whatever it's in here. Okay? Thank you so much. This is Nielsen with Pool Route. Thank you.